In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new department in Goodday. This is a quick but important setup task that helps you keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to manage teams, projects, and permissions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can add departments confidently whenever you need them. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account and you're on the main workspace screen. On the left-hand side of the interface, look for the user's icon. This is usually the icon that represents people or a team. Move your cursor over to that left sidebar and click on the user's icon. This will open up the section where you can manage users, teams, and, of course, departments. Once that panel loads, you'll see several options related to your organization. Here, you want to find and click on the option labeled Departments. Selecting this will take you to the Departments Management page, where you can see all existing departments that have already been set up in your workspace. On the Departments page, look towards the top area of the screen for a button or link that says New Department. This is the control you'll use to add a new one. Go ahead and click on New Department. When you do, a small form or dialog box will appear, prompting you to enter the details for your new department. In this form, you'll see a field where you can type in the name of the department. Click into that field and carefully type the department name you want to create. Try to use a clear and consistent naming convention such as marketing, human resources, or product development so that everyone on your team immediately understands what the department is for. Take a moment to double check the spelling because this name will be visible across your workspace. After you've entered the department name and you're satisfied with it, look for the button labeled Submit. This is the button that confirms and saves your new department. Click on Submit, and Goodday will create the department and add it to your list. You should now see your new department displayed among the others. From here, you can start assigning users, organizing projects, and aligning work under the correct department. That's all it takes to create a new department in Goodday.